At LaveLab, we've just tested the Dreame Z10, and in this video, we'll tell you what we honestly think about it. And if you're interested in this product, we've included a link to the best price just below the video. This vacuum cleaner weighs 2.1 kilograms. That puts it in the upper middle range in terms of weight, but we didn't find it heavy to use. During our tests, it offered good maneuverability on different types of floors, even on vinyl at maximum power. The brush head is easy to maneuver and follows the user's movements well. We just noticed that the handle can become uncomfortable to hold over time, as the coating between the thumb and index finger creates friction. In terms of accessories, there is a multi-surface main brush with built-in lighting to reveal hidden dust. Unfortunately, we found that the LEDs did not have a wide enough range to properly illuminate dirt, unless in a very dark area. It is not possible to raise the level of its V-shaped brush to vacuum up thick dirt. Only a slider on the brush head allows you to lower or raise the central part of the plastic strip in front of the roller. We regret that only this middle part can be raised, as this means you have to center the dirt perfectly when vacuuming. Furthermore, there is no symbol on the brush head to indicate the position of the slider. Our test of vacuuming along baseboards, which was quite successful in turbo mode, showed us that the material quality of this vacuum cleaner was up to the task, as the baseboards were left unscratched. The vacuum cleaner also comes with a combination tool for hard-to-reach areas and a mini motorized brush for fabric surfaces. Its flexible adapter for getting under low furniture is handy, but we found that the button for folding the elbow was not ideal. It sometimes only goes halfway down, requiring a little force. On the practical side, we like that the Z10's charging stand has 3 storage compartments for the 3 accessories provided. The vacuum cleaner's color LED screen displays the battery level as a percentage and the mode in use. In auto mode, which is the default setting, the display changes color depending on the level of dust detected: green, yellow, red, orange, or red. Warning icons also appear in the event of a problem. The dust container has a capacity of 800 milliliters. The emptying system is easy. Just press a button and most of the dirt falls out through the hatch. The manufacturer recommends cleaning the dust compartment, pre-filter, and cyclonic assembly at least once every 3 months by rinsing them with water and then leaving them to dry for 24 hours. Enough theory, let's get down to business with our performance tests. The Dreame Z10 has 3 modes: Eco, Auto, and Turbo. We put it to the test by having it vacuum up rice, to represent medium-sized particles, salt, for fine particles, and coffee beans. We carried out these tests on hardwood floors and a short pile carpet. Here are our results on hardwood floors. In Eco mode, the coffee beans and salt were vacuumed up in 1 pass. But for the salt, a second pass was necessary for optimal results. The rice required 4 passes. In turbo mode, the vacuum cleaner managed to remove all types of dirt in a single pass. On carpet, in Eco mode, the coffee beans were slightly pushed around by the brush head, but a single pass was enough. As for the salt and rice, 2 passes were enough to vacuum everything up. Once again, turbo mode delivered impressive results, vacuuming up all the dirt in a single pass. In addition to these tests, we used the device in auto mode to test its intelligent detection of the level of dust on the floor. Fortunately, the power adjusted perfectly each time. We also tried vacuuming pet hair and human hair on carpet. For human hair, a single pass was enough in Eco mode. However, for pet hair, we had to use turbo mode and tufts of hair got stuck in the brush. Finally, we vacuumed pet hair from an armchair with the mini motorized brush, and the result was perfect in a single pass, even in Eco mode. So much for performance. Now, what about the noise emitted by this model? Our sound level meter, placed 30 centimeters from the dust collector, measured 65 decibels in Eco mode and 75 decibels in turbo mode. Compared to other models of the same type, this vacuum cleaner emits a fairly high level of noise. In turbo mode, the noise level quickly becomes disturbing. And finally, let's talk about battery life. The Z10 has a lithium-ion battery with a theoretical battery life of 90 minutes in Eco mode with the combination tool. Under these conditions, our tests showed a battery life of around 80 minutes. We also tested the device's endurance in Eco and Turbo modes with the main brush. Here are the results: 66 minutes in Eco mode and 11 minutes in Turbo mode. These times place it in the upper middle range. Finally, we observed a charging time shorter than that indicated by the manufacturer, approximately 3 hours and 10 minutes to go from 0 to 100% battery. And that's it for our test results. So, to sum it all up, the positive points of the Dreame Z10 are its excellent maneuverability, its good overall performance, its responsive auto mode, its long battery life, and its practical accessories, and the fact that its stand has storage space for accessories. As for the negative points, the fact that it is quite noisy when in operation, even if it is still acceptable, and its LED lighting, which is only useful in dark places. And that concludes our test. Thank you very much for watching. As a reminder, you will find the link to this product with its best price just below the video. And if you like honest vacuum cleaner reviews, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel.